Today we're going to talk about analyzing data using Google Sheets. For my dataset, I chose Fangraphs.com, which is a website for baseball statistics. This dataset contains the basic statistics from the 2018 MLB season of every player who had over 500 plate appearances. The first thing we are going to do is format the data so it is easily readable. Everything looks pretty good already, but as you can see in the first column, some of the player names are cut off. In order to expand the first column to read all the player names, you need to hold down the mouse on the right side of the first column and drag it over to the right. Now that everything is easily readable, we are going to learn how to sort data. In order to sort a column, you need to right-click on the top of the column, press the down arrow, and scroll down to Sort Sheet. Now, since we're looking at baseball statistics, usually the higher numbers means the better player. So we're going to press Sort Sheet Z to A, meaning that the highest numbers will be at the top. If we wanted to sort data from the lowest number to the highest number, we would click the down arrow again and click Sort Sheet A to Z. Now you can see the players who scored the least amount of runs in the 2018 season. The next thing we're going to do is learn how to filter data based on certain criteria. The first thing we're going to do is sort the data by WAR, which was its original position. WAR is an overall stat for baseball, which basically measures every aspect of the player's game to see who the best all-around players in baseball are. So now that we're back at our original position, we're going to learn how to filter data. In order to do that, we need to press Data and then press Create a Filter. And we also have to select all the data. An important part of being a baseball player is having to be able to hit for both power and be fast and take stolen bases. Generally, a good rule for a player who can both hit for power and is fast is someone who has 20 home runs and 20 steals, or a 20-20 player. So today, we're going to filter for 20-20 players. In order to do that, we need to press Create a New Filter View. And then we're going to name our filter 20-20 players. In order to find a 20-20 player, we have to find players who have hit at least 20 home runs. In order to do that, we need to press the home run bar and then go to Filter by Condition and select greater than or equal to and put in 20. And then press OK. And now we need to do the same for stolen bases. We're going to press Filter by Condition again, and then press greater than or equal to, and put in 20. Now we can see every player in Major League Baseball who hit over 20 home runs and stole over 20 bases. The next thing we're going to do is create a chart of all 20-20 players. In order to do that, we need to select from Name to Stolen Bases, press Insert, and press Chart. You can see here that there's a lot of data that we don't want in our chart. We only want the player name, home runs, and stolen bases. In order to get only those statistics, we need to delete all the excess material. So you press the three dots on Games, press Remove, and we'll do the same for the rest. Now we have a chart of all 20-20 players in Major League Baseball, and you can see specifically how many home runs and stolen bases they hit compared to other players. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.